This is the first update of Ubuntu 24.04 LTS available for download. The new Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS includes bug fixes, security patches, and other improvements. Ubuntu initially released the 24.04 LTS build in April as a new ISO. However, this release encountered several issues leading to complaints from users about stability problems. To address these issues, Ubuntu has now released the Point update. So what is a Point release in Ubuntu? A Point release in Ubuntu LTS is a version update that includes bug fixes, security updates, and some minor improvements. It functions as a maintenance update for the main LTS version but does not include new features or change the core system significantly. For example, 24.04.1 is a Point release for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now, compared to the initial LTS build released in April, the new Ubuntu 24.04.1 includes several notable changes. The desktop installer now supports OEM mode using auto install and GNOME initial setup. Many issues present in the previous builds have been addressed, particularly those related to the installer crashes. The release of the first Point update in a new LTS series is significant for Ubuntu 22.04 LTS users. They will get notified that an upgrade to Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is available, and a prompt will be shown and allow them to upgrade with a single click. If you are running Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, simply open the software updater and you will see an update prompt offering the upgrade to Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And if you are already running Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, you can upgrade to the Point release by running this command or using the software updater to install the update. And that's pretty much about the new Ubuntu version update, also known as Point release. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.